Wales's new curriculum and assessment arrangements are being built on progression. Here's the story so far. Our new curriculum is on the way. It will offer teachers more freedom to teach in a way that best meets the needs of each of their pupils. At its heart, it has the 4 purposes of education set out in Successful Futures. Learning will be organised in 6 areas of learning and experience, rather than narrow subject boundaries. Within these, statements of what matters set out the most important knowledge, skills, and experiences to be gained. In line with Successful Futures, the curriculum and its assessment arrangements will be built on progression, so each area of learning and experience will include progression steps. In this way, learning and progression go hand in hand, bringing a purposeful approach to sequencing learning. Current teacher assessments, based on levels and programs of study, will be replaced as part of the new curriculum and assessment arrangements. Literacy and numeracy tests will continue, but evolve into adaptive personalised assessments, completed online. 4 principles will underpin the new approach. It will be based on a nationally described continuum of learning for learners aged 3 to 16. Learning should be an expedition, not a straight line. Progression is a roadmap for each individual, and each may progress at a different rate or take a different path to get to the next stage in their learning journey. Progression steps will be at 5, 8, 11, 14 and 16, and take the form of achievement outcomes relating broadly to expectations at those ages. These will help learners, teachers, parents and carers to understand if appropriate progress is being made. Achievement outcomes will be in the form of I can and I have statements. Literacy, numeracy, digital competence, wider skills and elements of the Curriculum Cymraeg will be included. Achievement outcomes help teachers and learners understand the next steps to be taken. Pioneer Schools have worked with experts and researchers from University of Wales, Trinity St David and Glasgow University, calling on wide-ranging research to underpin progression and learning in the new curriculum. This is how the work is progressing. In spring term, Pioneer Schools across AOLE groups, working with researchers, identified the necessary learning between the ages of 3 and 16 towards each of the What Matters statements. Their work was constructively challenged by the Curriculum and Assessment Group, a panel of education experts, who gave feedback on developments so far and advice on next steps. Currently, Pioneers are developing a draft version of the achievement outcomes, which will be integral to the draft curriculum being published for feedback in April 2019. The new curriculum will help our young people thrive and compete in a changing world. It is being developed collaboratively as an integrated whole with progression, assessment and pedagogy to make Successful Futures a reality.